Understanding the phrase, unplug. Hey there, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving deep into the phrase, unplug. If you've ever wondered about its meanings and usage, you're in the right place. Let's get started. Unplug originally comes from a very straightforward physical action. Imagine you have a device that's connected to an electrical outlet. When you remove or disconnect it from the power source, you're essentially unplugging it. So, the literal meaning is about disconnecting something from its power source. In modern language, unplug has taken on broader, more figurative meanings. Here are a few. 1. Digital detox. In today's digital age, to unplug often refers to taking a break from electronic devices and the internet. E.g., I need to unplug for a weekend and stay away from my phone and computer. 2. Relaxation. Another way to interpret unplug is to relax or take a break from regular routines. E.g., after a long week at work, I need to unplug and just read a book. 3. Disengaging from stress. Sometimes, unplug signifies stepping back from stressful situations or environments. E.g., the city life can be overwhelming. Sometimes you just need to unplug and go on a vacation. To ensure you've grasped the essence of unplug, here are some sentences to showcase its usage. 1. After working for 10 hours straight, Jane decided to unplug and take a walk in the park. 2. Every once in a while, it's healthy to unplug from social media and enjoy the real world. 3. Our devices need to charge. And so do we. Remember to unplug and recharge your own batteries too. There you have it. From power sockets to personal well-being, unplug is a versatile word with both literal and figurative meanings. We hope this explanation has illuminated its nuances for you. Until next time, remember to occasionally unplug and enjoy the world around you.